like this. You can see when my hand is in front of this, then it cut down automatically. It doesn't audio visual indication. So in this hello friends, I hope all are doing great. So just few days back we have uploaded a video of automatic sanitizer dispenser. So that was the circuit which was working on ultrasonic sensor. Now this is a little bit cheaper version or economic version, should not say cheaper, economic version, which is working on IR sensor. So this is the IR sensor over here. This is the IR sensor PCB, and if you can zoom it, then like there is a potentiometer, and then there is a IC LM358 IC, then there is a power LED indicator which will show you whether object is detected by the IR sensor or not, and these two are the IR transmitter receiver pair, right? Now this is the sensor sensor main board, which will process the signal and will activate the relay, where you will attach your motor or solenoid valve, whatever you want. Now this is the blue color light indicator which will on and off depending upon IR sensor sensed the object, means hand or not. And now this is the indicator, power indicator. It will on as soon as you will apply power supply. Now let's test the circuit. So you can provide power supply using this as well. There will be a separate connector for that, but you can use this 2-pin connector as well. So it 12 volt power supply given. Now as soon as you can see that this LED is already on, but this LED is off. But as soon as my hand will come in front of this IR sensor, then that LED will on, and then this relay will also on. Now you can see this cut sound is from the relay. Actually this relay will cut down the motor which will throw the water on the hand in automatic sanitizer, and this buzzer is providing the beep, and this LED indicator you will place at a place where it will fall on the hand. It will look so beautiful. You can check our previous video. We have used this circuit in automatic sanitizer dispenser. I'm going to show you the again working like this. Now you can see this LED indicator is also a type of indicator which will on depending upon whether hand is in front of your IR sensor or not. And one more beautiful thing about this circuit is that it will cut after a particular time. It's not like that in most of the automatic sanitizer dispenser in the market. Till the time your hand is in front of the sensor, it will keep on throwing the sanitizer. But as I already told you, sanitizer is not like water. It's a precious liquid, so it comes with a very high cost. So the quantity must be limited on the hand. So this sensor, as soon as like this, you can see when my hand is in front of this, then it cut down automatically. It doesn't wait for my hand to go away from the in front of the sensor. It will automatically cut. You can see for the long period of time. If I'll keep my hand over here, then it will keep on the system in parts. It's not like continuous on. So this is all about this circuit. If you want to buy, you can buy it from like our portal, or you can just call on the contact number given below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, then you can subscribe the channel. So this is our automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, which is working fully automatic like this. Sanitizer, you just need to place your hand over here. The sanitizer will come with audio visual indication. So in this automatic sanitizer we are using this circuit. We are using this circuit.